What's up, guys? Today we're working on a 2017 Chevy Malibu. I am replacing the fuel and EVAP lines. Where are they? There they are. Due to them being crushed. Let's get to it. So as far as connections, we have this blue one here. This red one right here, not that one. I'm gonna get all these clips off all the way down, and all these lines, they run up into the engine bay. So I'll come back when I get there. Alright, I just want to show you how it's pretty easy to get these off. You know, just work your little pry tool back and forth, and then like that. Be mindful of your brake lines. And then for these two, just pop off like that. I got these off already. Just want to show y'all, it's pretty easy to get these off. I think I have a couple more, and then we'll work our way up into the engine bay. Well, I'm at a waiting point right now. Stopping point. Gosh. All the clips are done. Haven't released the lines yet. It's because the hard line comes up into the engine bay, and I forgot to pop the hood, but goofball took the keys with him, so I'll come back when I get that hood popped open. Alright, so next thing you want to grab is this metal protector. You want to take it off. Oh, I did that for show, and now I can't get it out. Alright, there. So on it, there's tabs on top and bottom. You gotta push them in, and then the plate pops off. I can't really show you, couldn't really show you the process of that. And then what you want to do again is take little holders off. You got one here and one down there. The small ones I can probably just leave on when I take the lines out. Alright, I'll come back when I'm getting the lines up. Alright, so that took longer than expected. Mostly because the fuel line, this one, marked by the yellow flammable tab, it has to come over, it's the easier one to get out. It has to come up over the brake lines, which is annoying. And then this one, the EVAP line, that one doesn't really have to go over the lines where this one went. This one has to go over them in the engine bay. On this part, obviously. These are the parts that go in the engine bay. That's a pain in the ass. Overall, I would say it's easy. Just be careful with your brake lines, of course. You don't want to bend them or, you know, bend them. But yeah, I'm going to get started on putting the new ones in. Taking shit out is fun. It's usually easy, so this was hard, so putting them back in is going to be extra hard. Maybe. We'll see. I'm just going to start with the last one I took out, and then go to that one, and then we'll see where we are. See ya. Alright, well, I got carried away putting the new lines in for I have to record for you. But this is where we were. This is where the other ones were damaged, the fuel line and the EVAP. Got them connected again. The blue connector, this red one right here. We'll work our way up to the front in a second. Alright, so we're going to put these tabs back on. Those right there. So I can get this plate back on. And we'll put the fuel line on, the EVAP line, which is all right here. And I'll see you then.